The Helical Coil Interactive Calculator determines electromagnetic properties of coil inductors for your circuit designs. Let's examine the input fields. First, select your calculation mode from the drop-down menu, which offers Calculate Inductance, Calculate Number of Turns, Calculate Coil Diameter, Calculate Magnetic Field Strength, Calculate Wire Length and Resistance, or Calculate Energy Storage and Time Constant. We'll use Calculate Inductance for this demonstration. Enter Number of Turns N. We'll use 500. Input coil diameter D in millimeters, that's 25. Set coil length L in millimeters, 100. Specify wire diameter D in millimeters, 0.5. Enter current I in amperes, 2. Input inductance L in microhenries, 500. Set wire resistivity in ohm square millimeters per meter, 0.0172. Finally, enter coil resistance R in ohms, 5. Click Calculate to see your results. The calculator shows inductance L equals 1,542.126 microhenries, which represents the coil's ability to store magnetic energy. This value is critical for determining circuit behavior, filtering characteristics, and energy storage capacity in your inductor design. Start optimizing your coil designs today. Find the link in the description below.